My name is Dr Tanja Sobko, and I'm Swedish, but I live in Hong Kong since almost 10 years ago. My background is nutrition, but it's not only nutrition. My studies in medicine brought me to gut pharmacology. When I started to do my program, I wanted to translate what we know within nutrition on a very detailed, very molecular level, how to apply and how to teach people to eat healthy and to lead a healthy lifestyle. I learned that here people, the families and children were afraid of nature. They would be afraid to touch the trees. And I started to do more research, and I learned that actually it's not only in Hong Kong, not only in Asia, it's the problem of children all over the world. Children today are more and more disconnected from nature. They spend more time inside in sedentary activities, and they are losing the contact with what used to be normal. I work with it from two perspectives. I work with children in a scientific program that we developed called Play&Grow. And I also teach the adult students. I developed a course at Hong Kong University that is called Food, Environment and Health. In this course, everything is connected. It's like a triangle when you have anything that is connected to food, where the diet comes in. And then you have environment, and that is what is around us, or what we call nature in general. We actually have a validated questionnaire. It's very unique because before this program, it was not possible to measure this concept of connectedness to nature in very young children. It's translated now to a number of languages and is being used all over the world. Being in nature is beneficial for children's health, good for their motor skills, for their brain development, their eating habits. It's also good for mental health. They have less aggression and they're much more social with other children. Very often parents complain that children are picky eaters, and especially at this age, between 2 and 5, they still have this neophobia. Neophobia, it's fear for new things. So it's very natural that they are very reluctant to try new things. By playing with different vegetables, they actually become much more curious about other vegetables, and they increase their vegetable consumption. They do it through so-called autonomy, so the autonomy is increasing. It's a very interesting concept. Children create their own relationship with food without parents being involved. And this is very important, particularly for this age, when children are very small. Then they build a very positive relationship with food and with vegetables. They will be much less picky eaters.